Do 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 do. Yeah. Listen. Yeah. Yo. Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it, then she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about her smile? Or what about her style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. I think I say, yo, I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss, I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You making me wanna say, yo, I know you're trying to leave, but excuse me, miss, I saved the last dance for you. How I love to keep you here with me. Listen to my heart go bottom, boot up, yeah. Biddy da-dum, boot up, and my heart go bottom, boot up, biddy da-dum, it just won't stop it go. How many ways can I say that I need you, baby? It's true. I think I might die without you. I feel it all over my body. You know how I like it. Ain't gotta tell you what to do. No, I'll never get over you until I find something new to get me high like you do. Yeah. Ooh. No, I'll never get over you until I find something new to get me high like you do. Listen to my heart go bottom, boot up, yeah. Biddy da-doo, boot up, and my heart go bottom, boot up, biddy da-doo, it just won't stop, it go bottom, boot up, biddy da-doo, boot up. I don't wanna be your ex, we're way too good at being friends. Can we still hang out on the low, girl? Why I don't wanna be you, I don't wanna be your. Hit your boy up with a text when you're alone and feeling stressed. Said I ain't gotta be in love with you to love you. I don't wanna be you, so don't treat me like your ex. No, I don't wanna be yours. Count up the times you blown my line, yeah. That's been on my mind a lot lately, yeah. And I wanna leave the ex around behind. And I know that you wanna be my baby, yeah. So I'm gonna take my girl to the old town road. She gonna ride till she can't no more. I'm gonna take my girl to the old town road. She gonna ride it till she can't. I love the way she throw it back. Ooh, you know she bad. I ain't tryna brag, but nobody can match her. Yeah, she kinda crazy. You know she my baby. You could keep the talk, my ears are kinda lazy. Can nobody tell me nothing, no. You can't tell me nothing, no. They can't tell me nothing, no. You can't tell me nothing, so my bad. Blowing me up, you been wildin'. Yeah, we were cool, yeah, we was vibin'. Gotta put my phone on silent, so my bad. You're blowing me up, you been wildin'. Yeah, we were cool and vibin', but I gotta keep my phone on silent, so my bad.
what's your name? In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you're always on my mind. Yeah. You come around like this, baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right when I see you, when I see you. I scribble X's and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone, when you're nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. I see your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're showing stars outside. What's the reason why? You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, I don't know. Baby, when something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run out, just gonna stand here and sleep. Oh, yeah. Hey, baby, I see you. So sexy, boy, so sexy, boy.
Crying, how can it be you? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were jogging. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get it? Tell me now, but I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Man, you put the time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me, when you call me I come, but then you go again. With your deaf, yeah, open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now that you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering I'm caught, yeah. Running away from the darkness I'm out there, yeah. I don't know the limits. Going way beyond the noise and your feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Turning back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now we speak to